Work is being done in various communities to track COVID-19 cases, but most of the population still hasn't been tested. Well, in Corvallis, Oregon State University workers are trying to get a better understanding of how prevalent the virus is in their community and how it's spreading. Auralia Mendez joins us live this morning. She's volunteering on this project with OSU's Center for Health Innovation. Good morning, Auralia.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for joining us. So tell us about this, the TRACE COVID-19 study that you and some of the other health workers have launched and how it works.
So I am a traditional health worker, which we are culturally competent public health workers who serve as the bridge between communities, families, individuals, and the health and social systems. So it gives us this unique ability to be able to connect with the community and test for coronavirus. So the way it works is that the community or the traditional health workers are the leads in the study, and then we have two students who accompany us from the door to door, and basically we go knock on doors and ask if community members are willing to take the test, and then if they agree, then we provide the test, and then we're done.
Wow. And so how willing have people been so far? I know this is pretty early on in this
Yeah.
study, but how willing have people been to take the test?
The first week we were a little kind of stressed out about it. But then once we actually got out there, we noticed that actually a lot of the community was more welcoming than not. We had a lot of people wanting to volunteer to actually take the test. So far, at least the clusters that I've had really positive outcomes out of it.
Yeah. And do you have any of those results back? I mean, how long will this take typically?
No, we haven't gotten any results yet. Typically, it'll take 7 to 10 days to get results. So maybe here soon, within the next couple of days, for that first week that we did last weekend.
Okay. And so then what happens if you do get a positive result? What's the next step?
The next step would be that you would be contacted by either the lab or the Benton County Health Department, which would then let you know about the status, and then kind of let you know what the next steps are, which would basically be, because there's like no vaccine or other cure right now, they would probably want you to quarantine for at least 14 days.
Right. And so why is this so important that you guys are doing this? And what do you hope to learn from this?
Yeah, so the goal of the study is to measure the prevalence of the virus among people who are both symptomatic and asymptomatic. Most commonly now, like we've seen in the media, that tests are provided only to symptomatic individuals. And so this project has the potential of saving lives and is essential for informing measures to slow down the spread and minimize the impact of the virus, which could potentially providing more comprehensive information to public health and government leaders, who will then be able to be have like a better guide for efforts in conducting against the virus.
Well, I'm so glad that you guys are doing this, and thank you for your work, Auralia. And KOIN will be following this study closely, and of course our viewers can read more about it right now on KOIN.com.